In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the tool available within XRM Toolbox named as Business Unit Hierarchy. Now, Business Unit Hierarchy is built by Funny Tumalapalli. What it does is it basically generates business unit hierarchy with user and teams details. Now it displays individual business units. It displays the users and the teams which are part of that particular environment. Now it loads the business unit hierarchy and it has an option to Excel export. Now you can export the user list or you can export the teams list. So if you have a need to export all the user list for your tenant or teams list for a tenant for a specific environment, then you can make use of this tool. It's a simple tool. It looks something like this. It first loads the business unit hierarchy on the left hand side, as you see over here, and you can see all the users in that specific business unit and also the teams that are available within that particular business unit. You can also export the record to Excel, and you can export the record to export users to Excel and export teams to Excel. So you get those in an Excel format. Now let's jump into the demo. So if you do not have that business unit hierarchy, so what you can do, you can search for that tool in the tools library. So if I go into business tools library, let me search for business unit hierarchy. So as you see over here, you select this and you go ahead and install that specific plugin or tool. Once it is installed, you can open this particular tool, business unit hierarchy, and it will ask you to connect to an organization. So let me connect to an organization, say Girish Dev. And once you are connected to the environment, it will list down all the business units within that environment. So what you need to do first, you need to click on load business unit hierarchy. Once you do that, it will list down the business unit within that tenant. And once you select this, you will be able to see all the users and teams. Now users and teams, you can see the complete list, user full name and email address. So it is not only the system users, basically it will also list down all the internal users starting with hash. Okay, so if I so there is no specific sorting command in the table. However, you can select the line item. So if I want to see Lee email address, then I can see it from here. I can scroll down and find other users email address. Also how many teams exist. So there is a owner team, which is of team type owner, and then there are a couple of security group. So I can also see the owner team, the access team, the security group, and who are the administrator for that specific corresponding teams. Now I can export all the users to Excel. So I'll click on export users to Excel, click on save. Then I'll go there and I'll open the Excel file. So as you see over here, it has exported the user and the email address. And then from here, you can, what you can do is like you can make this as a table. So let me create it as a table. And now I can sort this on basis of my requirement. So if I just say A to Z or Z to A, then I can see all the users sorted. So in the interface, in the application, I was not able to sort, but once you get all this thing in an Excel, then you can do whatever data operations you want to perform, you can do that. Similarly, you can export the teams to Excel. And once it is done, then you can view the team's details. And here you can see the team's detail. Again, you can do the same thing. You can put this in a table, and based on this, you can sort basis of user, uh, team type access, or team type owner, or team type of security group. Now, in my case, there are very few teams, but in your case, in your tenant, there might be more teams, more business hierarchy, and more users. So it is a good tool if you want to take the dump of the users or teams or the business unit. If you are something like, if you want to do some sort of an auditing, or even before you deploy anything to prod or UAT, you just need to verify the security posture of your system. Then this is a good tool for you to analyze those information, as it ready made gives you an option to export to Excel. So that's it, folks. This is all about business unit hierarchy tool within XRM Toolbox. Thanks for watching.